Good morning children. Today I am going to take English for 8th standard. The lesson before the match. Children, before the match. So this lesson before the match has been extracted, means it has been written by whom? Swami and friends. So by R.K. Narayan. So this is extracted, means taken from the lesson, that is book R.K. Narayan, which was written Swami and friends. So this was published in which year? It was published in 1935. So 1935. Extracted from Swami and Friends by R.K. Narayan. The novel Swami and Friends. This is a novel. Which novel? Novel Swami and Friends. Swami and Friends. And Friends is set in the pre-independence when India was under this was taken up when India was under the control of British in the town Malgudi. Swami and Friends is the story of a 10-year-old boy. Means it is a 10-year-old boy. So that boy's story here. The author narrates his innocence, wonder, mischief and growing pains in his unique style, language and sense of humor. So his characteristic has been narrated over here. Means what is his innocence? He narrates his innocence. Who? The author narrates this boy's innocence, then wonder, then mischief, growing pains in his unique style, language and sense of humor. Swami has 4 best friends. This Swami has 4 best friends in his childhood. One is Somu, the other one is Shankar, Mani and the P. They have a very strong bond with themselves. Later the group becomes friends with the Rajam. So what happened here? This Swami is a boy of which age? Of 10 years. He was having 4 friends with him where they are very close to each other. And then later the group becomes friends with Rajam. So this group, this 4 students, children's group has been joined with whom? With Rajam, who is the son of Malgudi's new police superintendent. So who is this Rajam? So Rajam is the son of superintendent. Rajam. Who is this Rajam? He is the son of police superintendent. Police superintendent's son is Rajan, where he likes to join this group. Which group? This 4 group. 4 boys are they say? Somu, Shankar, Mani, P and Swami. These 5 boys together made a group. So in this group, this Rajam also wants to join. Rajam assumes the leadership of the group. So who is the leader in this group? It is Rajam only. When Swaminathan joins a mob of freedom fighters protesting against the arrest of a prominent leader of Malgudi. So what did Swami did? He joined in the protesting against, means making hartal, that is strike against the leader, means the important leader has been arrested in the Malgudi. On behalf of him he started protesting. Who? Swami. His life changes forever. So from there his life changed. During this protest, Swami shatters the windows of his school headmaster's office with a stone. Means what did Swami did? His lifestyle has been changed. He shatters, means he throws stones on the headmasters, that is school headmasters' windows. Are there no office windows? So there the glass. So he throws the stones on that. Rajam's father, the police superintendent of Malgudi, disperses the crowd. Swaminathan is dismissed from the school and joins another school. So when he did like that, when he did this type of mischievous in this age, so what happened then? Superintendent, that is Rajam's father, what did he do? He informed them and he has been dispersed, means he has been away from the school, dismissed from the school. Who? Swaminathan. And he joined to another school founded by, later Swaminathan joins a cricket club founded by Rajam called MCC. So Rajam started a cricket club which has been known as MCC. So there also Swaminathan has joined. In this expert of novel, a match is scheduled between the MCC and another local team called YMU. So MCC is that where Swaminathan is there in that group. So there is a cricket match between MCC and YMU. MCC and YMU. So these are the two groups where they started the cricket match. The match was to be played on a Sunday 2 weeks later. So after 2 weeks, one Sunday, they fixed up the match where they have to play against these groups, these two groups. So Rajan is anxious and has lost his peace of mind. So Rajan is anxious where he lost his peace of mind. He was very confident that his team could beat YMU. So where is Rajan? Rajan is in this group. He thought that he is going to beat YMU. So YMU is going to lose. So there was a match between these two teams, local team that is YMU. The match was to be played on a Sunday, means they fix up the date on one Sunday after 2 weeks. So Rajam is anxious and has lost his peace of mind. He was very confident that his team could beat YMU. He was having lot of confidence that his team is going to beat YMU. He had that trust in himself and that of Mani, who was very good fielder. So Mani was very good fielder. On his behalf, means because of him only he thought that his team, because all the boys who are there are very good fielders and very good players, so only he thought in his mind that his team will be winning. Only one player, Swami, caused him anxiety day and night. Swami had earned the title Tate after the famous English fast bowler. So after the English fast bowler, he has been taken up the name Tate. So Maurice Tate, because of his bowling faced, because his bowling was very good, so they have given his name there. So Swami missed several practices due to the heavy homework load at his new school. His homework was there, heavy homework was given for him, so only he missed a lot of practices on cricket. This creates tension between Swami and Rajan. Rajan pleads with Swami to speak to his headmaster to allow him time for the cricket practice and threatens to never speak to him again if he misses practice session. So this was given by that he creates, means Swami to speak to his headmasters, means Rajan pleads. Who? Rajan says to Swami that to request the headmaster that he needs time for the cricket match. He wants to take up the practice. Just 7 days before the match, Swaminathan realized that his evenings were more precious than ever. So, because the match is going to come very soon, it is closer by. So, he needs lot of practice in the evening. So, he says that evening is very important for him, very precious for him. Soon after the evening bell is lit up with the other student in the drill ground, but he had not taken off his cap and coat. Means he doesn't want to stay there. The other students had removed their shirts and tucked up their dhotis. The drill master warned him that he won't get leave and ordered him to remove his cap and coat. So the drill masters told to him that he won't get leave, he has to attend the drill. So they told him to start his drill and remove his hat and coat. Swami pleads with the drill master with the excuse that his health was in a terrible state and he had not slept a wink the night before that. He was delirious with fever and the doctor had advised him not to attend drill for a week. So as you all say, this every time any problem is there in the school, homework or test, suddenly you will get fever. The same way here also. This happens in you also. What happened? Miss, last night, miss, severe fever, miss. Evening you will be roaming out. But at the same time when I ask you, I will say, miss, fever, miss. What happened? Cold, miss. Fever, high fever, miss. Morning, fever went away. Only for 2 hours, 1 hour fever will come and go away for you all. No? Like that even he also pretends, he wants to act. Acting comes for you all very soon, very quick it is. Suddenly morning, stomach ache. You, mommy, his stomach is paining. Started because he doesn't want to go for school. All this acting is the same like that. Even Swaminathan is acting with this drill master stating that from last night he didn't sleep a second itself. So badly he was suffering with fever. See the fun. So he is telling that he doesn't want to attend. Even the doctor told itself, oh so nice. See, doctor told for him itself that you should not attend the drill. So this is what he gives the excuse. Swami happily joins his friends for the cricket practice. So after that, see the rogue there. So he says like that, so that's so sad. This sir thought, oh so sad boy, he's suffering with fever, so let him go. As soon as he left, he ran there. Where he went? He went to the cricket. Then he started practicing with his friends very happily. The next morning, he thinks of a plan to be free of all the evenings of the week. He slips out of the house and goes to a doctor named I. Keshava. He tells the doctor about the forthcoming cricket. He means next day he goes to the doctor. See, he went to the doctor also to meet him, stating that he tells the doctor about the forthcoming cricket match with YMU. He says that there is a cricket match between his team and also YMU team. So, and that he needs to be free from drill class at school to have some practice. He requests the doctor to give him a certificate. Very nice. See the rogue fellow. He goes to the doctor also and he speaks and he tells about the cricket match where he is there. That is next Sunday. So he wants practice in the evening. He doesn't want the drill classes. He wants to skip the drill classes. So he needs a certificate from the doctor. We tell you know that to get the certificate, doctor certificate. So that also he went. He requests the doctor to give him a certificate, asking the drill master to let him off at 4:30. So which time he wants to come out of the school? By 4:30. By 4:30 he wants to come out. So he could join the cricket practice. The good doctor agrees to issue him a certificate. The doctor is also agreed for him because he is so much pleased with the doctor. Swami hesitates for a second and tells the doctor that he certainly had begun to feel delirium in the evenings. The doctor questioned him as to what exactly did he mean by delirium. Swami innocently tells him that it might be some kind of a stomach ache. Delirium it is that. He says that what is that exactly? Then he told Swami told the doctor that it is a type of a stomach ache. In the evenings he gets this stomach ache. So the doctor laughed at his explanation till a great fit of coughing threatened to choke him. So later doctor only started laughing at this Swaminathan. So later the doctor examines Swami and declares him to be in the pink of health. And declared him to be in the pink of health means he is good in health, no problem in health. So he advises Swami that it was better to stick to his drill. So they said that you have to go for the drill work there. If he wanted to get rid of this delirium, Swami tries to reason with him, saying that nobody will find out after about certificate and if he wished that the MCC should lose the match. Then the doctor wishes him all the success and still declines to issue the certificate. So doctor also wishes him the good of luck and also issues him the certificate. So that he cannot attend the drill in the evening. So by 4:30 he wants to walk away from the ground, from the school only, because he wants to practice cricket. Why? He is having a match means he and YMU has a match on Sunday. He assures Swami that he would talk to his headmaster and request him to let Swami off at 4:30 in the evening so that he could practice cricket. So he told even the doctor is going to speak with the headmaster that Swami has to be let off at 4:30 because he has to practice the cricket. Swami thanks the doctor for his kindness and goes home. So then Swami gives a good thank, means he thanks the doctor too much and he goes home. So this is about the before the match, that is between YMU and MCC. Yes, did you understood? Okay. Bye children, and meet you in the next class.